This is Shirvon. This is one of Leanne's babies. I'm Chrissy O, by the way, from ChrissyOShow.com and Chrissy O's Clucky Chronicles YouTube channel. We're everywhere. Instagram, Facebook, that's right, TikTok, we're everywhere. Anyway, just showing off Shirvon. She's beautiful. She is Black Copper Moran. She's absolutely lovely. Yes, you are. And her mama is Leanne. She's going to be one of my daily eggers when she gets of age. Aren't you so pretty? She's so pretty. Show everybody how pretty you are, Shirvon.